Aina anta min. People are going to think you bumped your head and you're speaking incoherently. They're going to say, what happened to this person? السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. مرحبا بكم أيها الطلاب الكرام. سنبدأ اليوم بالدرس الرابع الجزء السادس. Today we're going to take lesson 4, part 6. We last left off on the place with the 2 columns. It was page 23. We said one column is going to have the alam al-mudhakkar and an alam al-mu'annath. Alam means a name, and it's going to have male names or masculine names and feminine names. We said on the column to the right, the masculine names will end with tanween and the feminine names will end with dhamma. Let's go to the bottom exercise, all right? It says, Iqra waktub. What does Iqra waktub mean? Read and write. Ma'a dhabti, while placing or while making the proper, I believe they're called diacritics, the harakat. While placing the proper harakat, مع ضبط أواخر الكلمات, the ends of the words. Hamid, what do we put? Hamidu or Hamidun? Hamidun. Zainab, Zainabun or Zainabu? Zainabu. So you should go through this next exercise and you write down if it's either dhammatain or dhamma according to the chart that's in front of you. We'll do a few together. Amina, Aminatu. Ammar, Ammarun. Sa'id, Sa'idun. Fatima, Fatimatu. Maryam, Maryamun. Is that correct? Maryamun is incorrect. It should say Maryamu. Ali, Aliyun. Khalid, Khalidun. Abbas, Abbasu. Abbasun is the correct haraka. Aisha, Aishatu. Muhammad, Muhammadun. Safiya, Safiyatu. Khadija, Khadijatu. Turn the page towards page 24, and here we get to do something that's going to be kind of a neat little thing, and it's probably the first time we are requesting you guys to do that. We're going to take where are you from? And I know we have a lot of students from all over the world, and we want you guys in the comments. We'll ask in Arabic in the lesson. I'm going to ask you guys, Min aina anta? That's how you say, where are you from? And if you look at the top, there's a small little line there. It says al-bayt, min al-bayti, and then it says al-masjid, ila al-masjid. So part of what we're going to take is min and ila. Min is from and ila is to. And like we said, we're going to ask you guys, min aina ant, for masculine. Where are you from? So let's write that down. Min aina anta. Fatha. علامة استفهام. علامة استفهام. Question mark. If it's a woman, you're asking anti. All right? And you can swap out any pronoun here. You can say min aina huwa if you're talking about where is he from. If you're talking about where is she from, you put hiya. So any one of these, you can just keep swapping things out. When we get to the plurals, you know, we're not taking plurals yet, but Antum. I always like to include brief things that we'll take in the future. I like to include them more than once before we actually get them or get to them. Min aina anta, where are you from? Masculine. Min aina anti, where are you from? Feminine. Min aina antum, where are you all? Masculine from. Min aina huwa, where is he from? Min aina hiya, where is she from? And min aina hum, that means where are they from? What's the one that you need to know? This is the one that is for your guys' online response. So I'm asking you guys, I'll say somebody says, Assalamu alaikum. Say, wa alaikum assalam. Kayfa haluka? Ana bi khair. How are you? I am well. Masmuka or masmuki. What's your name? Masmuka is for the fatha, and masmuki is for the kasra for feminine. So I'm going to ask a person in front of me, a man or a boy, Masmuka, what's your name? And that's what I want you guys to answer. Ismi, write your name in Arabic, just your first name. And then I'm going to ask you again, Wamin aina ant, or Wamin aina anti. You say, Ana min, and then the country you're from. Okay? Just the country and just your first name. We don't want people to use this as a platform to get to know each other, as you guys know how that often happens. So the question is, Min aina anta, and for a woman, anti. And then you would answer ana, I, this is from, ana min, and then your country where you're from. I'm from. Masmuka, I'll write that question down in the answer. Ismi, and then your first name. Okay? Now that we've taken that, and that's what we'd like for you guys to do in the comment section below. Masmuka, wa min aina ant? Ismi kada, my name is this. Wa ana min huna, and I'm from here. You're going to say whatever country you're from. Let's see what examples we have on page 24. On the right side, we have a dialogue. It says, Al-Mudarris, the teacher. Min aina ant, or min aina anta? Muhammad answers, Ana min al-Yaban. I am from Japan. Ana min al-Yaban. We notice there's a kasra there at the end of Yaban, which is Japan. And that's because min came before it. It's harf jar, ism majroor. I'm from Japan. Al-Mudarris. وَمِنْ أَيْنَ عَمَّارٍ? And where is Ammar from? You see how they did that? وَمِنْ أَيْنَ عَمَّارٍ? In English, we have from at the end. But in Arabic, from comes at the beginning, which is okay. And I tell you guys many times, let me erase this. I tell you guys many times, don't always use the translation word for word. So in English, you're going to say, where are you from? Okay? Where, what do we use for where? You're going to say aina, right? So normally, I'm going to write it this way because, well, actually, let me just write it that way. You're going to say aina. And that's going to include for R as well. Aina anta from. min. So, if we said this is the first word we put, we're going to say aina. This is the second word we put, anta. And the last word should be min because we're translating word for word. Aina anta min. People are going to think you bumped your head and you're speaking incoherently. They're going to say, what happened to this person? You can't say that in Arabic. The way you say to somebody, where are you from? You start with min. This is the correct way. Okay? Aina does not come first. Min aina ant. This is correct. Okay? The good thing about it, though, is that there are other ways to say it, but learn them in Arabic. Don't learn the English version and then try to translate it to Arabic. Learn it in Arabic. So you can say, min aina ant, where are you from? Or, anta min ain. This also works. You are from where? That works in Arabic as well. Anta min ain. All right? So both of these are correct. Min aina ant and anta min ain. Both of those are suitable and proper. And you would answer, as is in the book. I was looking at the clock, guys. We're running out of time. We're actually past time. He said, وَمِنْ أَيْنَ عَمَّارٍ هُوَ مِنْ الصِّينِ. See how they answered? He is from. هُوَ مِنْ الصِّينِ. And then we're going to take وَمِنْ أَيْنَ حَامِدٍ. Oh, Sin is China, by the way. Sin is China. And assalamu alaikum to our friends from Yaban in China and from all the other countries as well. وَمِنْ أَيْنَ حَامِدٌ. And where is Hamid from? Huwa min al-Hind. And assalamu alaikum to our friends from al-Hind, which is India. And from where is Hamid? And Hamid is from where? He is from al-Hind. So we're going to stop there because in the next sentence, they ask a question, and in that question, they introduce past tense verbs, which we're going to take in the next class. So we're going to go ahead and stop here, and we say, Allahumma allimna ma yanfa'una wanfa'na bima 'allamtana wa zidna ilman wa ila al-liqa. Wassalamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.